Kiharo-ini gia cukuru wa muthingi wa Githambia Gatanga kaunti-ini ya Murang'a, kirindi kinene kiaria mahutitio ni wuini wa muini njoru wa mutigiri John Mathew mekinyire kiroko imerita na itika kuugira Uhoro njoru eno. Nao aini Kiheri magwithagathagite na ngita na matanya ma kurekereria mururi wa muthia kuri mutigiri John Mathew ari ta njira imwe ya kumuugira Uhoro. Ni muthenya ukuiyuritwo ni ihoru Ciugo cia muthia kuma kuri andu a nyumba ya Mathew igituanga aingi ngoro.
It is still a dream to me that you are no longer with us. Nevertheless, your presence is still in my heart, is so fresh.
In my heart, I will always love you. I will never, ever in my life forget you. The memories that we shared together, Daddy, I will place them in my heart.
You listened, anticipated my needs, and molded yourself to be just a perfect man for me. It has truly been the best moment of my life.
A man who was a bigger star in his own light than most of us, and a man who was star will continue to shine brightly for all times.
Ona thengia igutha riri Mathew ni agathiririo kuumana na wirutiri wake wuini-ini na gutarana gikuo giake kigiritanio na kwa mugumo uria wahutia bururi wa wuini.
Ng'ang'a
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake Willium Ruto magwetete Mathew ta murata na mundu uratetagira ihoto cia aini.
Adigo cia gwikona ya bururi uyu tutakinyire na kirori kiu gitu ni kiari special tondu nie na John he tundu tumwe twathiaga tugwikaga tutendaga andu mone muno. John ni angiahotire gwitwarithia maundu maingi muno maingi manene me make no ndatigaga andu aya thutha. Ndahenania wira wake wari gucokaniriria andu.
Nakumbuka Mheshimiwa Rais, wakati tulikuwa na matatizo ya ile mahakama ile ingine ile, hawa waimbaji wakiongozwa na Mathew walisimama na sisi.
Noguo ugi uria uma na atongoria angere magwikinyitie aria magwetete Mathew ta muini wa mwanya ruriri-ini rwa Agikuyu.
Nimempoteza rafiki wangu. Tukite ni tondu wa kwenda John, no nie ndire ndakorwo ndi mwendwa wa John wa hau hangi mwiciragia.
John is a friend, and to us as a community, he was more than just a musician. John is a seer. John is a prophet as far as this community is concerned.
Ainio nao moya kanya ga kurekereria mateta mao makiuga wuini wao koretwo kiriho igoto.
Not been easy for us. Even when we stand here, we still feel like crying like the family.
Mugumo ndi uragwire Gatanga. Oyo ni mugumo ukomete ha.
Wa muira atunganite na gikuo giake Mathew arakoretwo aruta makiria ma nyimbo 375 na nirigite kuhota ngerenwa itiganite na kuheo ngoga ya Head of State Commendation. Mathew aciarirwo mwaka-ini wa 1967 na arahurukire kumana na mutino wa barabara mwena wa Blue Post barabara-ini ya Thika kuri tariki 18 mweri wa kanana mwaka wa 2019 ta thaa thita cia utuku. Atiga thutha atumia eri na ciana 7 na ngumo yake gutureganagwo ni njiarwa arohuruka Uhoro. Ngiribotera Inoro TV kuma cukuru-ini wa Githambia Gatanga kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Njitagwo Julius Karithi wa Munene.